It was an interactive session and an insightful one as well, because when you get the insider's feedback, right, and the view, it's a different way of looking at it. When we see the incidents, we see it from a different perspective, because it's behind from the business. So it's always under pressure. Now you take a step back and listen to this. It's quite interesting, and see how you can approach it and what can happen in the future and what we can take it forward. Yeah, a good session, good interactive session, quite thoughtful information, which will be pretty useful in the future. Yeah.